Welcome to another episode on the same course which is learning VR, that is simple interest. Learning simple interest tricks and fastest method to go from beginner to advanced guide. So I am your instructor Sandeep and I am teaching you regarding the same course. Then moving forward, our targeted audience, as I already mentioned, these are for Indian all kind of competitive exam, and also you can learn this thing for your career development. Also you can learn it through all these methods which I already been told you from my last 3 videos, and in this video I'm going to teach you all those things regarding to this and all about installments, also how it works. Then moving forward, then what do you mean by installment? So first thing you need to know is that what is an installment. So let me tell you one thing is that when a person borrowed, or the person who borrowed the amount, and he want to pay the same amount to the same person, in the sense I will give you an example. A and B are there. Okay, A borrowed 100 rupee from B. Okay, it should be fine then, and A want to pay to B in the form of 5 time. He want to pay only 20 20 20 in its sense of 5 time he want to pay. So in this kind of time, or in this kind of manner how he is paying, that is called as installment. Every time we are knowing about the term EMI, that is regarding this installment. He want to pay with the same thing, he need to pay one more thing, that is interest plus installment he want to pay. He will pay 20 plus some amount, because interest, when a person borrows some amount, he need to pay some extra amount of money. So 20 plus the interest will be charged over here. So whenever A pays 20 plus extra amount is equal to he pay to B. So this is the same thing. Let me tell you the definition. When a borrower paid the total money in some equal parts, not in a single amount, then we say that he or she is paying in installments. Okay. And for an example, I had given you the same example over here. The important point is that borrower has to also pay the interest for using the borrowed sum of purchase. You just make a note it down. I already mentioned regarding this also. He need to pay an additional amount, that is interest over here. And also, let me tell you one more thing. In general, the value of each installment is kept constant, even when the interest charged on each installment vary for each installment or an n equal installment. We only calculate up to n minus 1 term. We are taking till n minus 1 term. So let me tell you one more thing is that the formula for the installment, the amount formula will be like this only. So this is the formula. Take a note of this formula. And for simple interest, where A equal to total amount paid and X is equal to value of each installment, where P is the principal, N is the number of installment, and R will be the rate of interest over here. So here A equal to X, open X plus X into R into 1 by 100. Then here it is goes to increasing X into R into 2, then it moved to X into R into 3 also. So guys, this is all about the installment. Thank you so much for your effort to listen me till the end. Please rate us by 3 this method, and thank you so much for watching. Thank you.